Okay, where's my flash? Nope. Yep. Okay. All right. Welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio, where I'm going to be trying out the oil pastels from Five Below. So these are from the store Five Below. Hopefully you have one in your area because they have a ton of art supplies. Of course, they're not artist quality, the best thing in the world, but they're not horrible. So we're going to test these out. And a lot of times they're out of these. As you can see, there's 48 oil pastels for $5. And on the back they have drawing prompts. Okay, so I have not opened these yet. I actually had to wait until they got them in. It was a couple of months. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Alright. So, I'm not going to swatch every color, but I will be testing them out. Try not to cut them. Okay. Let's see, let's take the tray out. Flimsy tray, but you know, flimsy cardboard. It's $5. Okay, let's see if they have names on them. If I can get them out without digging into them. No names, no color names, color numbers, which I'm sure I did not really expect to be able to buy these open stock. But let's go ahead. So we've got a black, and I'm guessing that one's white. So let's test those out. First I'm going to test out the black and white, which won't show up very well on this white paper. They are a little hard to get out and get them under your fingernail. Okay. They have more colors than I expected them to have. And I'm just using a regular sketch pad piece of paper. I have an idea. And this one looks like an olive green of some kind. Yes, it is. Kind of have to go over it a few times. Have an idea here. See if this works. Take the end of a paintbrush. That pops them out. No. Well, at least I'm not getting it under my fingernail. Alright. Actually, the color's not too bad. They're not real buttery creamy, but they're not really hard. They're smooth. Let's see. If you saw my video on Dollar Tree art supplies, I tried out the Crafter's Square Dollar Tree oil pastels. Oh, horrible. These are really not too bad. And of course, you know, there's probably not light fast. They're probably not light fast. But you can get some of that, it's a spray. I think it's called not Fixodent, that's a denture. Stuff to hold your dentures in. I don't know what it's called. It's some kind of spray. It has the word fix in it. And you can spray it over your sketches and oil pastels and all that, and it protects them. I'm actually surprised of the quality of these for $5. This one's a little weird because it started out pink and then it turned a little orange. try the red one. Yeah, they're pretty colorful, pretty pigmented. They are oil-based. Let me get you in the shot a little bit better. There we go. Okay, so let's test out blending. Okay. Now if you get these little crumbs on here, you can take a paintbrush and brush them away. Alright, let's just try something like this. It's not going to be the greatest picture ever drawn, but we can get an idea of how they blend. It's kind of a little rough, not really smooth going across the paper. Kind of get used to them a little bit better. Okay, let's try this one. And if you've tried these out and you've actually done an actual painting with these, leave me a comment, or maybe even a picture of how it turned out. That'd be cool to see. Well, they're not breaking. I hate when things break. Like cheap crayons and you're trying to do something with them and they break. Let's see, what color is that? That is a blue. What's this? That is a blue. Okay. Excuse me. I was hoping for a lighter purple. Maybe I could go with a pink. Okay, let's try the white. You should be able to see the white now a little bit better. Kind of picks up the other color. Alright. So I'm going to take a Q-tip and try to blend it all. Keyword was try. I think I put too much black on this end here, which that's my fault. I don't know if my Q-tips are too cheap. They're not Q-tip brand, but I think the cotton is kind of wearing off and plastic is coming through. So it's kind of scraping it. Alright, let's try a different blending technique. Let's try it right here. There's a lot of crumbs. Okay. Oh, that was darker. I thought this one would be darker. And they're fun to play with, to practice things with. Okay. Go. Let's try that again, because I had that other. I'm doing it again. Okay. Because, I mean, you definitely have to swatch them because they look a little different physically than they do on paper. Let's try yellow. Okay, now let's try to blend all those together. That was my mistake doing that. Okay, let's see. Let's try some other colors. Let's try some. There are earth tones in here, so that's good if you want to do landscapes. They're not all bright, like, they're not all bright pastel-y colors. There are some landscape and flesh tones. So that's good. There's a wider range of colors. I do like that. Definitely a wide range of colors. Okay, so let's do this. Now these greens and yellows blended better than these earth tones here. So if I use a mop brush, oh yeah. Okay, so a mop brush definitely works better on brushing away the crumbs. Cool. These two colors here blended pretty good. Let's try, yeah. I'm just scraping off more of the color. Okay. So they're not really blendable. I guess it depends on which particular ones sorry about that, I was going to get some water out. Depends on which ones. I got a little bit of water on my hands, so let's see. No, of course, because they are oil pastels, they're not going to be water soluble. But, I mean, okay, so, bad things. Good bit of crumbs, but easy to brush away. Not very blendable. Good things. $5. Good array of colors. Lots of colors. Cheap, not horrible way to practice and play with. You know, sometimes I'll make an acrylic painting. I'm going to go in and just do some markings on the painting with one of these oil pastels. Kind of like a mixed media painting. And these would be good for that. So I'm not trying to actually use these primarily to make its own painting. You can mix it in with acrylic painting to make markings and lines and other shapes. So these would be good for that, and they'd be good for playing around with. And, you know, definitely swatch them out. See which ones blend. Like these blended kind of okay, the greens and yellows, but the earth tones did not. But I tell you what, probably not going to put these all in the wrong spots, but, you know, who cares? I can see all of them right here. I don't need to have them in color range order, and it'll be alright. But anyway, what was I saying? I don't remember what I was saying. Okay, so, like I said, bad things are they don't really blend. There's a good bit of crumbs, but you can brush them away easily with a mop brush. Lots of colors. You can see you do have some light pastel colors, some earth tone colors, some little bit of skin color. So they'd be good to play around with, good for like beginning artists, good to add to other mixed media paintings that you might be doing acrylic or maybe even oil. So all in all, I don't think they're too bad. Not for $5. Again, they are at Five Below. And there's not many of those stores around, but you can shop online. And they deliver fast. And they have lots of different products to choose from. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you come back and leave a comment if you use these, if you use them for a painting. I'd like to see it. That'd be interesting. And hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.